Okay, I'm going to do a little quick video here, and there'll be several more to come I'll add in. Yesterday, I got a really good score on Craigslist on a brand new, unused Holy Stone drone HS120D. The only thing the guy didn't have was the original box, but there's the controller. This piece goes on top. It comes with this nice little carrying case. And it's fully assembled. Has a 1080p camera, gimbal mount so you can move it up and down, GPS, and it just does so many things. And again, as I said, these batteries have never even been taken out of the bag. Came with all the things it's supposed to have: extra propellers, screws, tools, extra landing gear. So actually, I'm watching a bunch of videos here on YouTube, learning as much as I can about this. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty awesome little deal. And apparently, these are about in the $200 range. And I've been wanting a drone for about 4 years now, so I can look at my property. But I wasn't feeling 200 bucks. So I got this one, brand new, unused, $50. Met the kid college kid, met him in Walmart parking lot up in Clarksville. So I'm still learning about it. Haven't done anything with it yet. Reading the instruction booklet and watching videos, so I get this right the first time. This has an automatic home button. So if you want to bring it home, all you got to do, once it's oriented, is you push the button. It brings itself all the way back to the starting point all by itself. So I'm an idiot. This should be idiot proof, and that's what I was looking for. So for 50 bucks, if I lose it in the woods, I'm not going to cry too much over it, but it looks like a really nice unit. All right, I'll be more coming on this unit. We're going to figure out how to use it. That's all for now.